Oh, hi, welcome back to the channel. Let me see what I'm doing. Uh, Welcome back to the channel. So the first thing I got to do this morning is get some washing up. If I got this, more washing up to do today. That's clean. Sorry about that, I was just finding the clean cover. These are clean. They're dusters, but they're clean. I washed them all. So let's see if I can just get that. Then I can go and watch the TV. I'm watching some other few heaven. It sort of reminds me of what's happening here, because everything's going right. What you've got to do first is wash up the things that are least dirty first. These are brand new clean. No, it's just me doing the washing up. I just wanted the company. Oh yeah, put the glasses back on the shelf. Got to put this out the window now because I ain't got a second job. Do this one. Washing up. At least I've got something to do. Rinse it off in a minute. There's plastic glasses on the mat. Feeling a bit tired today, like as per the other video. I need to get a shave. I have to use just normal soap. This is broken down, this is broken down, this is broken down. I've got a bit more space now. These I think they're clean. I'll just use this one. This one. Oh yeah, all these. Just put this aside. Right. Oh yeah. Hopefully this should become a new routine for me then, because I'll be up and clearing up. I should be up fairly early every day, clearing up every day. Oh. That's good. I think I'll go up the road and get my hair cut. That's just pieces of that again. Later that in there. These things I'll just put that in there for a minute. This one. I can do. And then all I've got to do is dry that up after. What I've got to do is, I've got to get the output going. I'm not doing it now. Let's get that one filled out. Put that all together. After this, I need to clear up the fridge. Just clean these out to rinse. I'm struggling again now. I'm a bit tired. So let's get a lot of water down the cellar. This thing. That's better. Oh, what even that? This thing's all greasy. This is the top of the fat fryer. I don't know what to do. You have to use the oven cleaner on this. I'll do that later then. It's not really that. It's not conventionally dirty. It's grease and it's got oil bound into it coming out. So now I can put the dishwasher back now. You see, push the dishwasher back. It's all wet, my hands are wet. These are all dirty anyway. Put these in there. These are going to put in the wash. I'm getting knackered. I'm well knackered. Can you guys help me by giving me some good comments? Because my mum passed away. The whole part of it is my mum passed away and we're really struggling. Me and my brother living here, but he's not doing anything to help. He's not doing nothing, no cleaning, no washing up. It's all on me. The dishwasher fill, I suppose, ain't worth it. I won't worry about that until the dishwasher's full. It's just, so I can clean that up. Oh yeah. And then the oh yeah, let's just finish this packet. Put these in the wash in a second. This was a steak. Oh yeah. Wash this out. This is going to the recycler. Well, I don't know whether I'm doing too much, but that's that. Right. That's going in the recycling. Oh yeah. That's going in the recycling. So I usually rinse that. That's in the recycling. Then this is plastic waste. Plastic waste. I just put that in the right. You try that after, don't go wrong. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. I think that's it for now. Oh. Okay, thanks. I've got this little food waste bin to try in a minute. These towels are going to put them in the wash, and then need some clean. I'll open this window. Clean, dry dishcloths to clean this up, and sort all these bottles out as well. Oh, this is cool down. Right. Thanks for watching. I mean, really, thanks for watching. And then I need to. So the dishwasher's out of action. I've got to dry that out up in a minute. Clean all this up. Get some breakfast in a minute. And then taking the waste disposal out. So I need to plumb in a new one. These are all dirty. This is clean with the basin. Okay. Right, thanks. I'll put the. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Sorry. I'll do. I'll put these things. Oh yeah, this is my washing that I put in this morning. These are dirty, so I'm going to sort them out in a minute. Okay then, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thanks.